Hey guys, this is Snapshot. Son Reese is on the phone. We're coming to you with a new product from Safoner. It's a RV door closer. Like I always tell you, some things that you actually need, some things are just a little luxury. This is a little of both. The reason I say that because we have two dogs. So soon you open the door, they right on your butt ready to hop out. So with this, you can go out, the thing will close behind you, hopefully catching them inside. But stay tuned, we'll let you know a little bit more about it. This is the unpacking. One thing I love about them, so far we got a couple of products from them, and they always send the tool to put it together. In this case, they send you the drill bits to install it. I was going through my drill bits and see if I had anything small enough to fit. Then I look in the case and they had it. So that's one good thing about them. They just don't send you the product. They send you the stuff to install it with it, which is very good. So stay tuned. Hey guys, this is the RV door closure. It comes with a directions, screws, even the drill bits, and this the unit comes in a nice little package like that. Stay tuned. Once we get everything sorted out, we'll start installing it. Hey guys, Snapshot again. Here we go. First of all, another thing I like about them, their products, real nice quality. Everything, I didn't get no cheap plastic. Even this, it's a nice little metal piece. It got a nice little heft to it. So you won't be bending this or breaking this. It ain't no plastic. Yeah, you won't be breaking this. It's a nice piece of metal. It's made pretty well. So directions are basically straightforward. Line it up on the door. Make sure I'm not doing no measurement and everything. I'm doing it all by eye. So line it up. About right there should do it.
You have a, my goodness, do you have a, what's the name?
No, have no whistle names.
No.
I'm doing it by eye, right here, real simple. I ain't got no leveler, I ain't got none of that good stuff. That's all by eye.
That's
Take
not
a drill bit, it'll be level when I finish.
Right there, right there.
Take a drill bit, give you a little starter hole. Nice little starter hole. Now what you do, your first screw, come over here and get your little screw bag. Drop it. Now I know you guys, some of you guys out there that, you want to be anal about, you gotta have the leveler and all that stuff. Nah, I ain't got time for all that today. It's a rainy,
and what happened?
It's a rainy day. I want to get this thing done. And like I said, they make it nice, straightforward. There you go. You start your screw. Level your thing again with your hand. Just snug it right there. That's to get you started. Then you come back and get your little drill bit. Make it nice and level.
It's not.
See, this is why you don't do it when your wife's around. I'd have been done already. Make it level right. It's right
not,
there.
Look, that's not level. See, it's up right there.
Right there.
So
hold that right where you want it. Okay, you can let it go. Now she had to hold it, so how much you might bet it ain't level because she touched it?
Anyway, it wouldn't have been leveled if you did it the way you were doing it.
It would have
That's
been
why
good
they
enough.
say mark it first.
It would have been good enough.
Mark it first.
Yeah, you can if you want. Yeah.
I know. He does it his way. It ends up working out. But still, I'm the one that like to see it's too loud.
If you don't leave me alone, we're going to be fighting in a minute. There you go.
There we go.
Now, what I do, I like to get it. Oh, look at that, nice and level. Ooh, I like to get it nice and snug, and then come back with a screwdriver instead of the drill bit and tighten it. This is the adjusted tench wire, so you got to loosen that up a little bit. There you go. Now, again, you can set it up and mark it, but nah.
Oh, gosh. You're not going to set it up?
Yeah, I'm going to set it up all right. I'm going to set it up by eye.
And we know how that goes.
I ain't been wrong yet. Don't even try it. Okay, we good.
Really?
It's going to go right through there. Now this, basically, these screws
What screws?
are threaded.
Oh.
So you basically can be drilling a hole all the way through to the other side. So you come over here and you set it up right at the mark. Tell me, is that even? That chord's about even, right about there.
All right. We'll let him do it.
Can't do it that way.
Why?
Because the drill bit is too big.
Too big.
I don't know what the heck you're supposed to set it up, but I ain't getting nothing that small. See? Okay, that'll work. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you something. I ain't got no pin that small. So I'm going to right about there. Mark it with that drill bit. Take the drill bit if they want you to. Open your door up a little bit. You see it's got to go all the way through.
Mm. Really?
Yep. Just like that. Just like that.
Mm.
And then what you do, loosen this up here. And I don't read directions either. I do it all by ear. Eye, rather, excuse me.
Sight.
Sight. And they make it real easy for you. So it ain't a big, difficult thing to do. Move, woman. Put it on the back side. Screw it in. Like that. Get it nice lined up. Cause don't forget you still got the other screw you gotta do. It's nice lined up. Check your door. Make sure it's not in the way. Door's still closed. Beautiful. And it's nice and level. Beautiful. There you go. Take your little drill bit. No leveling required.
Oh, please.
Let me see, nice and smooth. Mark it. Open your door back up. Just slide it down out the way, like that. Take your big drill bit that they give you next time. Try to find the other screw. It's so small. Got it. Drop screw. Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Put it back up there. You ain't gotta go crazy. I have a habit of breaking bolts because I'm always over tightening stuff, but make it nice and tight. There you go. Now, move. It's usually better to do it when she's not around because she's always in your way. So you put it on, and then you run your wire back through. Right through the hole, right there. There you go. Right through your hole. Close your door. Take out some of the tension. Now, the wire here makes it tighter or looser. So you take your wire, like so. Tighten it up. We're gonna try it right here first. See, it's installed already. It's just the 4 screws that you install it with, tension wire, and then you try it. Nice. Okay. Now, if you want it a little tighter, loosen your screws up a little bit. Pull the wire to you a little bit. Tighten it back down. Nice and tight. Open up. Nice. I gotta tighten these up on the side to make it where it's smooth.
There you go.
I want a little tighter. Loosen them up. I love this. Bring it to a little tighter. Close it back. Close it back. Now let's try it again. You walked out your door. And you let it go and, oh,
Yeah.
love it.
Yes.
Love love it. You gotta do that again. Go out the door, come back in. Oh, it's music. It's music, people. It's music.
Yep.
Now, they say you cut the access off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wait. I'm going to try it for a while. That ain't going to bother me. So I'm going to leave it alone, try it for a while, make sure I'm good with it, and then later on I'll come back and clip the excess. But to me, it's beautiful. Again, that was the 4th time. Let's try it one more time. Beautiful. I got to try one more time. I like doubles. So you open it up.
Even numbers.
Even numbers. There you go. Beautiful, folks. And that's it. This comes from
Safoner.
Door.
RV door closer.
RV door closer. Screen door closer. But so far, I'm impressed. I like it. And like I said, they don't give you no cheap stuff. Good quality. I expect it to be around for quite a while. Dogs might not like it, but I'm loving it. It's a snapshot.
And Sarisa.
Hope to see you on the road. And just to let you know, we got some good news for you coming up.
Yep.
So stay tuned.
Alrighty.
Later.